Hi everybody! So today we're gonna unbox what's in here. Kelsey doesn't even know. That's the game we're gonna play.
Why is it's so?
What do you think's in here?
I think it's a car part.
It says fragile. Could be anything. Could be a boat.
But the mystery box could be anything. It could even be a boat.
I don't know. Car part. Car part's not fragile. I don't know.
Yeah. See what we got.
What's this? I still don't know.
Ugh. Gonna have to pull these out. Okay. That's it. One Monet. Monet was in the box. He can have the big box. So this is what we got in here.
What is this?
I have to edit out this main video, right? So this is what's in the big box. Pretty exciting car parts, for me at least, but. These are obviously Nissan parts. Let's take a look. This will probably be one of the more exciting ones, I think. So it's pretty light. Any guesses?
No.
0 guesses.
0. What is that?
Even,
No.
in terms of pillows. Brand new 180SX taillights. So these are ones from Japan. What do you think?
Pretty cool. Monet, no! No.
So this is
Another light.
the matching. So these were, you can still get the tail lamps, but the bottom piece is now discontinued. So that goes like that. One box. The center section. That goes right in the middle between the two. This is just the lock cylinder. And you get a high true. So yeah, I bought these from nissanparts.cc. And you get a high true. So this is the lock that goes right here.
Oh.
It comes with some keys. And those are just the seal around the light when you mount them. So I'm gonna get some stock taillights and then we can show you the difference. Don't mind the cats playing in the paper. So what do you think of my wonderful purchase?
I have no knowledge.
Well, do you think
Pretty cool.
they look cool?
Yeah.
Now, what would you pay for something like this?
Is discontinued?
Just got discontinued. And it's not even these parts. They don't make them anymore, but there's inventory still. So
Oh. It's made in Japan?
yeah.
Maybe $1,000 for 3 of them?
You're actually really close. This is actually $975. Way better. Way closer than I expected.
So smart.
Yeah. So I think these are gonna look awesome on the car. And it's definitely gonna need to get a paint job or wrap it soon. Because the paint sucks. And these look too nice. But yeah, the lower section that goes underneath the lights, I'll put it in a picture, is discontinued, and everyone started jacking the prices. These used to be like $500 US, and now they've skyrocketed up. So, thanks to inflation. Yeah.
Well,
Yeah. Pretty excited. Then, yeah, later in a couple months, we'll have a video of them being installed. Maybe. We'll see.
okay.
If you couldn't tell in the video, Monet loves the paper. What was that for? Okay, goodbye everybody.